In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with using templates in Webflow. Whether you're new to Webflow or simply exploring its capabilities, this guide will help you navigate through the basics of selecting and editing templates in your site. First, let's start by opening Webflow. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, it's time to open the site you're working on. This will take you to the design interface where all the magic happens. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a vertical toolbar. This is your main hub for accessing various features and elements within Webflow. Next, locate the Add Elements button on this toolbar. Clicking on it will open a panel with a variety of categories to choose from, giving you options from basic elements like text and images to more complex widgets. But for now, we're going to focus on the template layouts, so go ahead and click on Layouts. This section is wonderful as it provides a selection of pre-designed templates which are perfect for giving your site a professional look without much hassle or advanced design skills. Here, you'll find several free templates carefully designed by Webflow to cater to different styles and needs. Investing in these free resources can significantly speed up your workflow, especially if you're aiming to create something that looks good with minimal effort. Take your time to browse through and find a template that matches the vision you have for your site. Once you find one that speaks to you, select it by clicking on the template itself. Webflow will then apply this template to your project, giving you a fully structured layout to work with. Now that you've chosen the template, it's time to get creative. You'll see that Webflow offers a user-friendly and intuitive editing interface, allowing you to modify every aspect of the template. This versatility is one of Webflow's most acclaimed features. You can edit text, change colors, swap images, and even add or remove sections to tailor the template to your specific needs. Whether you're tweaking the typography or adjusting the layout, every change you make ensures that the final output aligns perfectly with your brand or personal style. Utilize the editing tools to their fullest potential. Try out different design settings and don't be afraid to experiment. With Webflow's real-time preview, you can see your modifications instantly, making the design process both enjoyable and satisfying. Plus, remember that all changes can be undone, so there's lots of room to explore and test your ideas without worry. And there you have it. You've successfully selected and started customizing a template in Webflow. Keep experimenting with the tools and soon you'll have a beautifully designed website ready to share with the world. Thanks for watching and happy designing.